We are a team of 3 researchers from Eindhoven University of Technology in the Netherlands. We are working on creating a computer algorithm on image recognition to automatically describe images in text. Screen readers are software programs that read any text that is displayed on the computer screen with a speech synthesizer. However, the limitation of these programs is that they cannot meaningfully convey or describe the content of an image or a picture. Currently, there are certain programs that use artificial intelligence to identify components of a picture and use them to create alternative text for image content. But they are rudimentary and are only able to recognize very specific elements in a picture without providing much details. For example, such an algorithm can detect elements such as 2 people, smiling, sun, etc. However, it's unable to vividly describe an image in the way a person comprehends an image. We are under the process of developing a computer algorithm that will be able to create human-like descriptions of images. This algorithm is a self-learning program that looks at thousands of images and their descriptions and learns from it. One of our biggest difficulties as researchers is to find the time to write meaningful and detailed descriptions for the thousands of images in our database that our algorithm can learn from. We need your help in identifying and describing these images in as detailed a manner as possible. Your descriptions will help us create a more accurate and robust image recognition algorithm. We will use this data anonymously for our research purposes. This task consists of a number of images that we ask you to describe. We would like you to caption as many images as you're able. You are not obligated to caption all images and can quit at any point you like. However, we do ask you that if you choose to describe an image, you do it in as much detail as possible. We are looking for descriptions that are at least 50 words long. If your caption is less than 50 words long, we will unfortunately be unable to approve your work and release payment. Instructions. Please describe scenery, context, and activity in the image. If the image consists of known or familiar landmarks, please include them in your description. If the image contains objects and artifacts, please describe how many there are, where they are, and what color they are. If there are unfamiliar elements in the image, try to describe them visually. Please be as detailed as possible, even to the point of adding details which seem insignificant. If you're not entirely sure what something is, or what an activity is, use the phrase seems to or appears to, but still describe what you think it is. An example. This image shows children mostly engaged in reading books in an informal classroom setting. In the foreground, we see 4 children sitting at their individual wooden desks and reading books. There are books, pencils, and a stuffed animal toy strewn on their desks. There are other desks and chairs visible in the room. The chairs are variously orange or blue in color. In the background, we see a white wall with shelves spanning end to end, with boxes and art materials resting on the shelves. One child is kneeling on a high stool against the wall and seems to be doing something on the wall. Thank you immensely for your help with this task.